What is the formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. When there is a loss, we cannot transfer the reserve because there is a loss. Premium expenses, first it will come in the expenditure side, then it should be shown on the asset side or deduct from the reserve and surplus. As per accountancy standard and also new Act 2013, all the balance sheets should prepare under vertical column only. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a temple of excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Corporate Accounting 1, third semester BCom. The session goes in favor of financial statement of limited company. So we are going to prepare, they will give the trial balance. We have to prepare a statement of profit and loss account and a balance sheet is considered here. So what is trial balance? Trial balance shows the arithmetical accuracy of books of account. It has got two sides. One is called debit side, one is called the credit side. Debit side shows assets and expenses. Credit side shows incomes and liability. Carefully, all the items that is from the trial balance should appear only once. The items in the adjustment should appear twice. The items in the trial balance should appear only once. The items in the adjustment should appear twice. We'll move on to the problem now. So, Jeevitha Limited has an authorized capital of rupees 10 lakh. Divided into shares of rupees 10 each. Trial balance on 31/3/2019. Share capital will come schedule number 1. Sales will come in the revenue account. Then profit and loss account, profit because on the credit side, profit of the last year. Debenture 8% of 3 lakh is 24,000. Interest has to pay. Creditor is a current liability. Reserve fund will come under reserve and surplus schedule number 2. Bills payable is a current liability. Provision for bad debt is a old RBD. Debtor is an asset. Goodwill is a fixed asset. Cash at bank is a current asset. Wages come under manufacturing other expenses. Salary is an expenditure. Debenture interest is a interest. So totally we have got 8% of 3 lakh is 24,000. How much already paid? 12,000. Another 12,000 is outstanding. So debenture interest here. 3 lakh into 8 by 100, 24,000 to be paid. Out of that, how much already paid here? Debenture interest 12,000 is paid. Another 12,000 is outstanding. Then cash comes under current asset. Freight is an expenditure, general expense and expenditure. Calls in arrears should be deducted from the capital. Opening stock, trading account, a building, fixed asset, machinery, fixed asset. Purchases will come in the cost of goods sold. Furniture is a fixed asset. Government security comes under investment. Director's fees is an expenditure. Bad debt is an expenditure. Preliminary expense will come on the asset side of the balance sheet under schedule number 9. Interim dividend should be deducted from the profit and loss account. Then closing stock, all adjustments should appear. Closing stock first will come in the cost of goods sold, then the current asset. Depreciate the machinery 15%, furniture 10% it says. Depreciation. First on machinery. Machinery is 3 lakh. 15% of that, 45,000. This goes in favor of machinery. Furniture, 10%. What's the value of the furniture? See that? 7,200 into 10 by 100. It works out 720. Then new RBD, how much percentage? 5% on debtor. What's your closing debtor? See that? Debtor says debtor is 97,000. On that percentage is 5%, 97,000 into 5 divided by 100, 4,850. What is the formula? Bad date plus new RBD minus old RBD. What is the formula? Bad date plus new RBD minus old RBD. Then write off 50% of premium expenses. First it will come in the expenditure side, then it should be shown on the asset side, or deduct from the reserve and surplus. Sales, we'll go to the statement of profit and loss account. We'll go with, what's your sales? 4,50,000. Then other income, old RBD, but you can deduct this. I have not taken here. I will deduct from the old RBD. Expenditure, cost of goods sold, opening stock. What's your opening stock here? 1 lakh. Plus purchases, 2 lakh. It becomes 3 lakh. Minus closing stock, 10,000. It becomes 2,90,000. Okay. 2,90,000. So all the expenditure has to be dumped now. We'll go with one by one. What are the expenditures are? We'll go with sales creditor. What's your wages? 81,800. 81,800 is an expenditure. Then salaries. See that salaries is there. Wages over. Salary 34,500. Salaries 34,500. Okay, this over, this over. So debenture interest 12,000 plus another 12,000 outstanding. It becomes 24,000. 8% of 3 lakh is 24,000. How much already paid? 12,000. Another 12,000 is outstanding. Then freight. What's the value of the freight? We see that 13,000. Freight 13,000. Then general expenses. Right of general expenses 6,900. General expenses 6,900. Director fees 5,840. Then bad debt. Bad debt is 2,110. Bad debt plus new RBD 4,850. Add 6,960. 6,960 minus old RBD in the trial balance. Minus old RBD. Here 2,500. So deduct. If we deduct all these things, no, it becomes 4,000, 6,960. It is 4,460. Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. What's the formula? Bad debt plus new RBD minus old RBD. Then depreciation on plant. You have calculated 45,000. On plant 45,000. On furniture 720. This is 45,000 720. Then preliminary expenses written off. Your preliminary expenses is 5,000. Written off half means 2,500. Add the figure. 2,18,720. 2,18,720. Add the figure and bring out the difference. So 2,18,000, 2,18,720 plus 2,90, 2,18,720 plus 2,90,000, 5,08,720. Add both. 5,08,720. B. Profit before tax. This is loss. A minus B. So 5,08,720 minus 4,50,000. 58,720. 58,720 is the loss. So when there is a loss, no, we cannot transfer. When there is a loss, we cannot transfer the reserve because there is a loss. So generally what we'll do now, when you go to a reserve and surplus, we can make it. So here 58,720 is the loss. We'll go with the balance sheet now. Profit before after tax, no. Leave it off. Appropriation, leave it off. Deficit you have got. Up to you can say 58,720. Loss. What's your authorized capital? Company has authorized capital of 10 lakh. Authorized capital 10 lakh. Issued, called up and paid up. Issued capital here 5 lakh minus calls in arrears. Any calls in arrears? See that? Calls in arrears 7,500. This is paid up. So 5 lakh minus 7,500, 4,92,500. This is your paid up. Then we'll go to general reserve. How much you have got a general reserve? See that? Opening stock, purchase, government securities, share capital, your reserve fund. This is RBD. This is your bill pay reserve fund. 5 lakh. General reserve is 5 lakh. How much transfer during the year? See that? How much transfer? 10,000. It becomes 6 lakh. Then profit of the year minus interim dividend, 6 lakh is there, plus profit of the year. What's your profit and loss account? 45,500 plus profit. 45,500. 6 lakh 45,500. So it will go one by one. 6,45,500. Reserve only 50,000. This is only your reserve is 50,000. Transfer is, how much transfer? 10,000. It becomes 60,000. So transfer to P&L account, 45,500. Add 500, 5. So 1,05,500 minus net loss. Your net loss is 58,720. Deduct. This is 1,05,500 minus net loss 58,720. So it is 1,05,550. So 58,720. The balance is 36,780. 36,780 minus interim dividend. Minus interim dividend 7,500. If we take 36,780, 29,280. So 50 plus 10, 60,000 plus 45,500, 1,05,000. Your net loss is 58,720, 36,780 minus interim dividend 7,500. It will come 29,280. That's all the figure here. 29,280 will come. So then we'll go debenture 3 lakh. Interest will be shown in the current liability. We'll show 3 lakh only. Then unsecured loan nil. Then come back. Plant and machinery will go one by one. Plant and machinery. What's the value of the plant and machinery? See that. Plant and machinery. 3 lakh. Minus depreciation 45,000. It will come 2,55,000. Then furniture 7,200 minus 720. Deduct 0. This is 8. 6,480. Your machinery is 3 lakh. Minus depreciation is 45,000. Today 2,55,000. 7,200 minus 720 is 6,480. Then what's your building value? Building is 4 lakh. 4 lakh. Then there is a goodwill. In exam, there is a goodwill here. Goodwill is 33,000. Add the figure 4 lakh. So 2,55,000. 2,55,000. 55,000 plus 6,480 plus 4 lakh plus 33,000. 6,94,480. 6,94,480. 6,94,480. Then investment, any government security, see that investment is there. Government securities 60,000. Government securities 60,000. Another investment. Come back to debtor. What's the value of the debtor? See that. Debtor. Say your debtor is 97,000. Debtor 97,000 minus RBD 5% on 97,000 into 5 divided by 100, 4,850, deduct 97,000 minus 4,850, 92,150. Then any cash in hand, see that? Cash in hand, cash at bank. So we have got a bank and cash also there. So goodwill is 33,000. Your bank is 50,900. Cash is 11,750. Cash in hand 11,750. Your closing stock is 10,000. Then bank, cash at bank, your cash at bank. So goodwill is 30. The cash at bank is 50,900. Add the figure. 1,64,800. 1,64,800. Schedule number 7. Then current liability, creditor 50,000. Your bills payable is 38,000. Outstanding debenture interest 12,000. So 38 plus 12 is 50 plus 50 is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Provision for taxation nil. 1 lakh. Preliminary expenses you got minus write-off 2,500. So creditor 50,000, bills payable 38,000, outstanding debenture interest 12 lakh, it become 1 lakh. There is no taxation. Preliminary expense is 5,000 minus rate of 2,500. Debtor 97 minus RBD, then it will add 1,64,800. Investment government security 60,000. Plant and machinery 3 lakh. Depreciation it will come 6,94,480. Debenture interest you have taken in the current liability. Issued and paid up capital 4,92,500. So we'll go with the balance sheet now. Format of the balance sheet. Share capital. Your share 4,92,500. 4,92,500. Then reserve and surplus. Second one. Reserve and surplus 50 plus 10, 60 for 1,05,000, 58,720, 36,750, 7,500, 29,280. Then secure loan debenture 3 lakh. Then unsecured loan nil. This is 4,92,500 plus 29,280 plus 3 lakh. 8,21,780. 8,780. Come back. Your fixed assets here 6,94,480. 6,94,480. Then investment government securities 60,000. Then current assets 7 months. Current assets 1,64,800. 1,64,800. Then current liabilities 1 lakh. preliminary expenses 2,500. Add 6,94,480 plus 60,000 plus 8,21,780. 8,21,780. Total source 8,21,780. 8,21,780. This is total application. So vertical column balance sheet here, assets and liabilities here. We'll go through once again if you want. Here now, we'll go slowly. First, we'll go with the statement. Sales is 4,50,000. If you want, you can take the old RBD here. Your cost of goods sold is, your opening stock is 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, minus closing stock is 1 lakh. It becomes 2,90,000. Then here, wages is 81. If you add 2,18,720. If you add both 4,08,720. This becomes B. A minus B loss 58,720. That's why we have not taken the profit or transfer anything, because there is a deficit of 58,720. Then your paid up capital called authorized is 10 lakh, called up is 5 lakh, minus call senior is 7,500, become 4,92,500. General reserve 50 plus 10, 60,000. Then here your profit is 45,500. 1,05,500. Your net loss is 58,720. 36,780 minus interim dividend 7,500. It will come 2,92,800. Your debenture is 3 lakh. Interest I have taken under current liability. Plant and machinery 3 lakh. Minor depreciation. Furniture 7,200. Minor depreciation. Building no depreciation at all. Goodwill 33,000. If you add 6,94,480. Then investment government security 60,000. Debtor 97 minus 4,080. 92,150. Cash in hand 11,750. Closing stock 10,000 and cash at bank 50,900. Add 1,64,800. Then credit are 50,000, BP 38,000, debenture 12,000 becomes 1 lakh. Then preliminary expenses 5,000 minus return now 2,500. It is 2,500. So it will tally for 8,21,780. So both the side will tally for, this is the source, this is application as per accountancy standard and also new act 2013. All the balance sheets should prepare under vertical column only. We have prepared under vertical column only. All things we taken in the vertical column only, so that you have to like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7, 8, 9. You have to do like this only. Because now as per the Companies Act of 2013, so we have to do under vertical column. I think if we know the format, the problem will be very, very easy. So we have solved the final accounts problem with all the adjustments here. The items in the trial balance should come only once. The items in the adjustment should appear twice here. So why the reserve is not transferred? Because the firm suffered the loss. So no transfer entry has been made, no interim dividend made, which has been deducted from the reserve and surplus, nothing but a profit of the company. So we have gone through everything now. Here all the expenditure will be dumped and statement of profit should be formed according to the Companies Act of 2013 only. We have done it. So we have solved the problem according to the 2013 Act. Hope you have followed. So we'll meet in the next session with another problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.